In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store deleted issues in Jira. If you've ever accidentally deleted an issue in Jira and wished you could retrieve it, this guide is for you. We're going to explore an efficient way to maintain a record of those deleted issues using a handy tool available on the Atlassian marketplace. First things first, we need to get equipped with the right tools. Head over to the Atlassian marketplace and find the SaaSJet's Issue History for Jira add-on. This powerful tool is designed to help you track changes and maintain a history of your issues, including those you've deleted. Installing this add-on is straightforward. Just click the install button and follow the on-screen instructions. With just a few clicks, you'll have this tool ready to bring back those deleted issues. Once the installation is complete, the next step is to locate the Issue History app. You can find this within the app section in your left navigation panel. This section of your Jira interface is where you can manage your apps, and Issue History will be right there, ready to go. Click on it to dive into its functionalities, which are specially tailored for keeping meticulous records of your issue activities. Now let's tweak the settings a bit. Within the add-on settings, you'll find an option to activate a very useful feature, the Keep Deleted Issues toggle. This is essentially a switch that, when turned on, ensures that any issues you delete from your project will not be lost forever. Activating this feature is key as it safeguards your information, making sure that even if an issue is accidentally deleted, you'll still have access to its history. With the toggle activated, all your deleted issues are safely stored within this tool. You'll see a list of these issues right in the interface, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you've previously deleted. Having this list can be a real lifesaver. No more stress or searching through backups trying to find that crucial piece of information that was erased. It's all right here, neatly organized and accessible. Finally, to make this functionality even more efficient, you can use the date range feature to filter through your deleted issues. This allows you to narrow down your search to a specific time period, helping you quickly locate items deleted around particular dates. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your project's history, ensuring that you're always able to find what you need without sifting through unrelated data. By following these steps, you'll have a reliable way to store and retrieve deleted issues in Jira, making your project management more robust and foolproof than ever before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep exploring all the features Jira and its add-ons have to offer.